That's pretty loud. Oh, Jesus Christ. This song's so good. Alright, I want this to be like a, ah, shit. Oh no. That's pretty sick. Test. Testing 1, 2, 3. Hello. Test, test. Testing 1, 2, 3. Test, test, testing 1, 2, 3. Is this should be coming through. What about now? Test, testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. This is my voice coming through. All right, I think that sounds good. Test, test. Okay. And then, why is this shit so difficult? Test, test. Testing 1, 2, 3. And then we click. Testing. Okay, I wonder if I can be heard above this. Why is that so quiet? It's so annoying. Testing? Oh. Testing. 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 1, 2, 3. Testing. 1, 2, 3. Testing. 1, 2, 3. Hello? Testing. 1, 2, 3.
Brooklyn Bounce is your destination. Excellent choice. Enjoy your stay. Brooklyn Bounce is your destination. Restart.
Bass. Back once again.
Bass.
Is everybody ready? Restart. The bass. The beats.
The person that's made the song is totally like massive acid.
Padma sambhava padma sambhava padma sambhava padma sambhava Om Dalai Lama Om Dalai Lama Om Dalai Lama Lama tashidele lama tashidele lama tashidele lama tashidele Om mani padme Om mani Om padma sambhava padma sambhava padma.
Damn, what even was that song? Testing 1 2 3. Testing.
I can't get these memories out of my mind, and some kind of madness has started to evolve. tried so hard to let you go, but some kind of madness is swallowing me whole. Yeah, I have finally seen the light, and I have finally realized what you mean. And now I need to know, is this real love, or is it just madness keeping us afloat? And when I look back at all the crazy fights we had, it's like some kind of madness was taking control. Yeah. And now I have finally seen the light, and I have finally realized
They're here. Aliens. Extraterrestrials. It doesn't matter what you call them. They've arrived. They're here.
Why does it stop? This is bullshit. I did not hit her. I did not. Oh, yeah. There we go. Instead of talking to me in chat, talk to me in the video. Why? Can you hear me? I think it should. It just takes so long. I need people to talk to me on Discord. Is it soft still? What about this? Not competing as much. I messed up my audio. I hate it when I mess up my audio stuff because I know that it's off. Like I don't hear my voice in my headphones, which I normally do, which is like really helpful. It's hard to route audio. No, I'm not gonna game. No, I'm playing game IRL. See, everyone that watches me is I'm trying to hack your brain. Yeah, video games are too boring for me. Yeah, I have it linked in the stream. You can use your phone. Just use your phone and scan it. Or type it out. Do you not see that? Am I crazy? Is there not text on the stream that says the chat? No? You're full of it. I don't believe you. Yeah, you son of a bitch. It's your baby running in the 90s. Whoa. This is a different version. In the 90s. This is not good. Neuromancer. I've played Minecraft. My roommate used to hack Minecraft. It's played it so much. I do want to like build something that like integrates into it though. Like you can write code that actually does something from Minecraft. Cuz I want to play Minecraft is the problem. Like Minecraft's so much fun. But like if you're playing Minecraft, you're not like generating value, or it's harder to generate like value to pay yourself to do things. So what I do is I find ways to play games with things that I know will like get me money. Like that's just me. There are mods? Yeah, I know about mods. But like, what are you gonna do? Are you gonna sell like a product to an enterprise company by making a Minecraft mod? Is your admin dashboard? Oh my god. You could build an admin dashboard that's like Minecraft. And you can like do like debugging of your application from Minecraft. That would be so cool. Imagine giving that like your customer support. They play a game of Minecraft and they have to like like someone's request comes through and then they have to like figure out the solution. I don't know. That'd be so stupid. Have you tried VR? Yeah, Beat Saber is fucking amazing. I think Beat Saber is like the new Dance Dance Revolution. Like, this game is so much fun. Holy shit. Like, if you can somehow get your hands on VR, it is worth it just to play this game. And then also, ooh, Pistol Whip is also really fun. This game's so cool. I do want a VR system again. Yeah. Oh yeah, I would stream a VR game. If you're watching this, you're being hacked. You're being hacked at the moment. Sorry about that. You should stop watching if you don't want to be hacked. I love being hacked. Yeah, that's the goal. If you want to hack someone, you have to start by being a nice person. You can't hack someone if you're not a nice person. Or there will always be like a level that which you could get. But there's nothing that trumps like someone that's being genuine. Hack me. Does this not queue up songs? Or it is?
Work it, make it, do it, makes us harder, better, faster, stronger. More than power, never, ever, after work is over. Work it, make it, do it, makes us harder, better, faster, stronger. Work it harder, make it better, do it faster, makes us stronger. More than ever, hour after hour, work is never over. Work it harder, make it better, do it faster, makes us stronger. More than ever, hour after hour, work is never over. Work it harder, make it better, do it faster. overwork it, make you better, do it faster, makes it stronger, all that effort, power. Is never overwork it, make you better, do it faster, makes it stronger, all that effort, power. Work is never overwork it, faster, makes it stronger, all that effort, power. Work it never overwork it, harder, do it faster.
I don't know. You tell me, Bruno.
Wow.
This episode of this thing is brought to you by Burger Man. Eat some burgers.
In your flight I show you right, on your flight I show you sight. What it takes is up in the stakes. On my plate I give you light. On my beats, on my treats. Stamp and stomping, stamp and stomping,
Crank it up.
If you take enough of them.
on your flight I show you sight. What it takes is up in the stakes. On my plate I give you light. On my beats, on my trees. Damp and salty, damp and salty.
Ah, it's so sad it stops. Debug your environment? What do you mean? Excuse me? Oh. Oh, hello, Cameron. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Wait, let's see if that's coming through the stream.
I'm trying to run Go on DigitalOcean, but for some reason I'm getting some environment errors.
Wait,
Like
can you share your screen?
Yeah, one sec.
I'm also quite high right now, so you're gonna have varying levels of ability from me.
Okay. Let me just message my microphone or my headset.
We're stopping the party for your debugging.
Uh-oh.
So you better make it good.
Well, this is your code initially, so I feel
It's my code.
the source.
Oh, it's my problem because you're using my code.
I'm pretty sure I had like a support clause in the contract when I signed on.
A support clause.
Yeah, you're gonna support this help me maintain it. Okay,
Dude, how cool does the visual thing look? I feel like it looks really sick.
yeah, it's awesome.
So I want to pay people to make visualizations for that.
Nice. All right, so I'm trying to run go run main.go, and I didn't used to get all these errors, but then I started doing stuff and I started getting those, but like
Wait, you share your screen?
Something about my environment's not set up right.
Come on. Watch stream. Okay. Okay. Oh boy. All right. What do we got here? Where are you on? Oh, you're in. Okay, so you're in DigitalOcean. First question: did you ask ChatGPT?
No,
Ask ChatGPT.
I didn't want to.
If you haven't asked ChatGPT, you cannot ask for my advice. It is a skill that will serve you well beyond your years.
I was trying to give you content here.
No, fuck content. I only want to do things that are interesting. This is like a simple debugging thing. Automate it. All right, so I'll help you. I'll help you ask a good question because that's worth my time. All right.
Should I show you the whole thing or?
Yeah, sure. Why not? Just literally copy everything that you're currently looking at. Yeah, just do that. Fix it. No, you got to tell it to do something, or maybe not. You don't even need to. Check go path.
Yeah, I mean, this is what I've been doing.
Yeah. So Go exists. So do you do what the hell is it? Which? Say which? Can you say which Go? See where it's located? Okay. Run the code again. Show me the error. Oh, dude, you got to use FZF. All right. Oh, this is just the server, right? Never mind. Not a directory.
Yeah, and I didn't used to get this, but then I started messing with the environment variables.
Did you? Yeah. Can you do echo space $ go path, and then go root? Or you could just do env. Just do env.
Did I just dox myself?
No, there's nothing sensitive here. Go. We're looking for go path. Can you unset that? Say like unset space go path. Now env. Or I'm sorry, no, we know what that is. Go run again. Run the compile again. Okay.
Yeah, this is.
Now copy that error. Copy that error.
Yeah.
You could just do the error. Just toss it in there. It doesn't matter.
Yeah.
It's smart enough. Oh, Go version. What version are you in?
Yeah, I thought it had something to do with that. I have to screw.
Yeah. Oh, that's old. Yeah, we need to update that. Can you? All right. Do you have? Haven't installed a new version of Go, right?
No.
Go to the website. Go to the website.
How I installed this one.
Just search Go. Go install. Dude, this is the beauty of Go. It's just so easy to explain this to you. All right, now go to Linux. Yep. Copy that. Run that. Oh, first we need to download. Oh, this is the one thing that bothers me. We actually need to go to download 1.22.1. Yeah. Just open. Just go. What are you doing?
Well, I got downloaded on the server.
Yeah, but the it links to something else.
Oh, okay.
And then we want no. We'll just get the installer. Archive AMD. Can you do uname space -a over on the left in the server? Just making sure it's on an ARM computer. Uname space -a. No, x86. All right, so we're fine here. So we want AMD 64. Yeah, that one. That'd be good. uh, untar, tar space hyphen xvf. No, you don't need to move it.
I just want to get out of here.
Wait, no, go back to the commands. Go back to don't do anything yet. Go back to the commands because now that we have it, commands back, go back. Yeah, no Linux. Yeah, there you go. Oh, sudo, you got it.
If I remember this password.
Oh man, dude, do you have a password manager? Gotta use a password manager. Cameron, no.
I know what it is.
Oh my god. Dude, you don't know what it is?
It's not the end of the world.
You have to reprovision it. You gotta do it. You need the password. This machine's useless to you if you don't know the sudo.
I got it. I have the keys for the root account.
Well, you need to run the command.
It worked. It worked.
Oh wait, oh you got it. Oh, okay. All right, now what's the next command? Export path. Yeah. You ran that. Yeah, now go to cards and do the go run. Or you could try go version. Yeah. No.
Why? Because I had the.
Say which go.
Oh.
And then delete that. Just remove that.
I probably did it through Snap or some bullshit.
I wouldn't do RM. I wouldn't be in the habit of doing RMRF. Just FYI. I would err on the side of not including those because that's annoying to deal with. Sudo. You need sudo. All right. Now which go? Yeah. No. Okay. Now we don't have a go. Yeah. Sudo that. Oh, that's right. That initial RMRF didn't actually remove anything. Oh. Show me the command you ran. I think you put the sudo on the RM. You got to put it after that those ampersands because that other tar is another command.
For sure.
Yeah. How can I like have this content be like my interview? Like I'll just be a senior, like whatever the hell you want me, and like demonstrate it by me actually doing it. All right, now try it. It should work. This should work. Go version. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yes. All right. Now cards. Go run. Let's go.
Yeah, but I think I might have fucked up something.
Go. Just you're good. You're good. Go run. Tell you. What's the problem? Let's go. It's totally doing it.
Hey, it's working, I think.
Go is such a great language. Go's a phenomenal language.
Oh man, our viewer retention has gone down though.
Why?
Because we were at 2 viewers, now we're at 1. Oh, it's back up to 2 though.
Oh, we're 2? We're at 2 viewers? Dude, I'm gonna be famous.
You are famous already.
With who?
I don't know. Dude, this is
I almost have 200 followers, subscribers. I need to have I need to clip this stream. I need to get Koa to do that.
I'm just like maxed out on my shit here. Project?
Yeah, that's fine. The first compilation takes a long time.
Oh, okay.
Like right now, it's compiling of this. Look at the actually that process. It's interesting. It's compiling the Go SQLite driver. And wait, I thought Matt Ends was the pure Go one.
Your your uh your your terminal's too ricey. We can't I don't understand what we're looking at.
That's fine. Um,
Yeah.
no, it's not the pure Go one. Yeah, that's Gabe Gallibrius. This one's impressive. This is the pure. So that process that was running, it was calling into Cgo to build the bindings for SQLite 3. Versus if those bindings did not have to be generated, the compilation would have been a lot faster because the compilation would be controlled in Go by the Go compiler, which is much, much faster. And the only reason I would suggest people not to use the pure Go version over the bindings, the C bindings, is because the C bindings just gives more platform stability because SQLite has like a lot of shit going on. And like you're like I've had my code not work on Windows before using the Go pure Go SQLite thing. So it's like maybe not necessarily the best idea. But as the compatibility of this project like increases and it's like perfectly implemented and very stable, like there's no reason not to do the pure Go, which is like pretty cool because that like removes like another dependency on your system. Like it's all just self-contained in that one binary.
Wait, so where does this dependency come from? Is it something that I installed like as from like
You,
the
you're using
package
SQLite,
manager?
right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's just one of those dependencies.
Yeah. Oh, we got an echo.
Oh, sorry.
That's fine.
I just want I know.
Does your server work now? Is it running?
Yeah. I'm trying to see if I can go to the site or not.
Cameron,
Yeah.
could you okay, this is more of a command. You need to write content.
Man,
Yeah, command. You have to do this.
this blog is supposed to be my content. This is where the content's gonna go. I'm working on it. Sorry, command me.
I'll give you I'm working on the tool to give you. I keep promising that to you because I know you'll actually use it. I need you to make content that you would have wanted to see like 2 or 3 years ago. Like you're getting into or when did you start doing like writing code?
Like I don't know, quite a while ago. Like when I started learning, it was like maybe like 8 or 10 years ago.
Okay. What when did you start doing it professionally? When did you start doing it professionally?
3 years ago, I started doing it professionally.
Yeah, okay, perfect. So make content that you 3 years ago would have wanted to see.
Hey.
Oh shit, dude. Let's go. Do you have a domain?
I got a couple of domains. I just need to add them.
Fuck you, Cameron. I'm right about to rewrite my whole stack to basically do what you just did with the UI. Like
this shit's easy. Come on.
no, that's what I'm talking about. Like I think that I need the stack to look like this initially. Oh no. Mine works a little better than that.
That's greatly disappointing. I didn't even see anything.
I don't know. Maybe I need the complexity. Still.
Oh fuck! I shouldn't even ran this. Yeah, I don't think I have all the. I don't even like thought about cores or any of that.
Oh, that's fine. You don't need to worry about that.
I'm not worried about it. But,
No.
I wonder if that's part of the problem here.
Cores is like that's like when you start like actually having people like,
Yeah.
and security becomes like an actual concern. See, what I've realized with coding is that security does not matter almost at all when you're starting out because there's just simply no one using it. But depending on what type of data you're handling, like if it's like super sensitive data, like yeah, you need to care about security. But like I'm pretty sure like I have a whole inventory in my head of vulnerabilities for my app that you could totally just exploit. But I know that they're difficult enough for most people to like find that it's not going to be that much of a problem. And also because like the scope of my work, like it just doesn't need that yet.
Well, this time it's a problem.
Oh, it just simply doesn't work. Oh no.
Yeah.
Oh, you don't want that one.
Yeah. Oh. Do you want to help me debug this or?
Why is that one happening? Because I thought I straight up like reflect the origin.
Let me bring up the code.
Wow, your code looks so nice.
Thank you. A lot of this is you started.
Okay, note. There's okay, hold on, we got a problem here. Problem.
I know.
Card underscore images. You don't use underscore in package names.
Oh yeah.
Like it's just one word. Like it's
Okay.
just in package names. You can do that kind of in files. I would also recommend not to. The reason being that those dividers do not necessarily improve like quality or your capability of reading it. And so you can just combine the two together and
Well,
that's
I like it. What about the? I like them though.
I'm just telling you what's idiomatic in Go. You can do whatever you want to, but the whole idea of like principles in Go is that they're so well researched that it's just you just kind of do them because it's like, oh, I get it.
Sure.
So you don't have to, but I would recommend.
Help me with this.
Fuck. All right. Origin gets past. That's yeah. I made this as permissive as possible. Oh yeah, the comments. You like the comments?
Yeah, these are my holy comments from the Bread Chris.
See, I never write with emotion in comments because I find it's counterproductive. This is the only thing, one of the only comments that I have that have any emotion in it whatsoever because I just thought it was so funny for me as a professional security engineer to do this in my own app because security controls for the web fucking suck. Like everyone should do this. Like it just gets in your way. It's so annoying. The tooling that exists is not sufficient enough. Like this needs to be solved with like a good package. Oh, that's a good project idea, Cameron. Oh shit. You should totally start working if you want to. Like this package would get usage. Like making a really good library for interacting with cores, like something that like feels unique.
Interesting.
Maybe I'll do it. I don't know. We'll work on it together.
Yeah, it is a cool idea. It is like a notorious pain in the ass for
Yeah, I'll make a repo. We'll make a repo for it. What do we call it? What's the name of this repo? Is it just cores?
Better cores.
No.
Cores light.
Cores light. Dude. Holy shit. Dude, that is the perfect name.
It's pretty good.
Wait, do I spell it cores as in one O? So it's like
Yeah.
Yeah. Core. Oh shit, dude. Oh, and then the description is a refreshing cores library, or a library to make your cores taste a little brighter. What is? Oh, I need to ask ChatGPT this. What is like a Coors Light advertisement sound like? Write me short and sexy dialogue for a Coors Light advertisement. Make it more creative. A moonlit beach, soft waves crashing in the background. Two friends are sitting around a small bonfire, their surfboards planted in the sand. Gazing at the moonlight sea, could this night not get any better? Friend 2, smirking and pulling a Coors Light from a cooler, challenge accepted. The Coors Light can sparkles under the moonlight, almost glowing. They open the cans and the sound is crisp, blending with rhythmic waves. Man, this is the taste of pure refreshment. Friend 2, nothing beats Coors chill on a night like this. The scene widens to show the shimmering sea and the bonfire's glow in a distant lighthouse. Voiceover, Coors Light, where the night meets its match.
Oh my god. We're in such a goofy.
Oh, Born in the Rockies enjoyed everywhere. Born in Seattle enjoyed everywhere.
There it is. But why is it not working?
No, I'll just do a refreshing course library. That's better. Why is that not working? Okay. Wait, I need to know this for my interview. Okay. Request headers response. Show me the response. Oh, there is no response. Course failed. Click on that one. Was it doing?
Just
Except
fine locally. I'm wondering how if
Not the right
they're
port.
different on the server. See why it would be.
Does the URL say HTTP by chance? Like, look at the URL of the page, like the scheme of the loaded page. Can you see that? What browser are you using?
I don't think it's. Well, I'm using let me open Chrome. Maybe this is a Chrome thing. Could be. No, that doesn't make any sense.
Is that Chrome?
No, this is Firefox.
Oh, Firefox. Really? They don't show you the HTTP? That's frustrating.
It should. I don't think it's there.
No, it has to. That you access that resource through a scheme.
Oh, okay. No, you're right. Let me see it in the other one.
Oh, there we go. There's on that one. See, I made it as permissive as possible. Like, the origin is reflected back, so you just accessed it from that origin. And then the headers have everything defined. Or the methods have everything defined, and then, oh, maybe the headers? It's possible it's sending it a header it doesn't know. Show me the headers in the request. And show me it running locally. Okay, show me the request. Wait, it might. Wait, oh, you're still in Firefox. This is Firefox.
You want
No, no, no. This is fine. This is fine.
Yeah.
And you tried production in Firefox as well, right?
yeah, and
So same browser.
Firefox, yeah.
Scroll up a little bit. Go back to the production. This is a different browser.
Yeah, yeah, it is here. I'll open it.
Okay. All right. So let's read through this. Okay. So request URL is create post. Method is post. Okay. Wait, go to the error actually. Go to the production error. We'll read through the production error. Request headers. Expand response. There's no response.
There's none, yeah.
Oh. That's a problem.
Yeah.
Click on response. Like in the tab. Right, because that's just the body. Why does that not show the response headers? Well, the options is failing, so the request won't go through, which makes sense. And show me the localhost. Okay. Options. Why is the options failing? It's making the options request to the right URL. Right, go to cards. No. Oh, there we go. Request URL is localhost. Yeah. Okay. I think I solved this bug before. All right. Go to. We'll see where the URL initially comes from. So go to the package JSON. Or maybe that's a good idea.
Am I just setting it?
Ooh. Oh no, you just do slash.
No,
You just got to do slash.
Wait. This is for something.
You should remove all of those things.
Don't worry about that. Don't worry about that. That's
okay.
Don't think about that. That's for like downloading shit or something. I don't know. I'm gonna have to look at that later. But that
all right, there's the ES build MJS has one, which might be a problem.
Where?
On the left, ES build MJS. So that's hard coded right now. It needs to come from the environment. And we need to set that differently for production. Or prod build.
Okay.
Oh, you can just hard code that demo LunarBrain to point to your IP address. Ideally, you put it behind a domain, right? Didn't you make a domain for this?
Yeah, I could set that up.
Yeah, I would do that because it'll be annoying.
Do you want to help me do that?
No, I'm done. I'm gonna back to listening to music and coding.
For sure. Thanks for your help, though.
Yeah, so you know what to do.
Yeah.
Domain and then build it again. You need to make sure.
I'm just gonna hard code it to the IP real fast, just to see if it works.
Okay, yeah, that's fine. What a good bug. We go back to the crazy visuals.
So I just set the pod
What'd you say?
I just set that prod build URL.
Nice. That worked.
Wait, no. I'm asking if that's what I should do, right?
What are you asking?
That's what I should set, right?
The prod builds.
Yeah, I'm just gonna try it.
Okay. You just replaced demo.lunarbrain.com with your URL. Yeah, that's all you should do. And then run an npm build to build the production assets and make sure that's you have to restart the server in production. Sure, that to work. So my recommended workflow anytime you need to make changes to production is do them locally on your computer, push them to GitHub, and then pull them. You should never do the changes in production.
For sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll get that. I'll get a pipeline.
You use the GitHub desktop app, right? No? Yes?
No, I don't really use it.
You should absolutely use it. It streamlines a whole bunch of things to the point of like 2 clicks. I've found a lot of success in using it. It makes like me trying out repositories a whole lot more intuitive because I'm like looking at something on GitHub and then I click a button and then it's like code on my computer.
Sure. Yeah, I'll probably have use for that now.
Yeah.
I don't do that too much, but if I have the power, I'll probably do it more.
All right, so I'm trying to write a blog post about why sci-fi is important.
Oh, you gotta read that sci-fi book first.
I know. I need to read it. I know I need to read it. It's very important.
On stream in front of 5 people.
I know. I've been identified.
I haven't finished either. I got to like I've got like 20 pages left. I just haven't.
Oh really?
Finished it yet. But
Okay.
It's very sexist, which is reading again. I was like, huh, this is a little. It was not disturbing. It's like a product of its time, but it's very sexist. Well, I don't know if it's sexist is the right term. It just doesn't have a lot of diverse characters.
I think Ready Player One is another important book to read because it's like a pretty accessible.
I haven't actually read or seen that one.
Don't watch the movie. Absolutely do not watch the movie. No. Or maybe, I don't know. It's visually stunning, but like the story is not as compelling as the book is.
Yeah, I haven't watched it yet because I want to read it first if possible.
Like, and the reason being is that the way it's described in the book, it's way more timeless. It's not like anchoring it necessarily to whatever the current technology is, but it does anchor it to like a game in the past. And the way that they describe the game and interact with it, it's like that's like a transcending experience. So it's like the language that they use to tell the story of like why the plot progressed that way it did. It's like it's very compelling, if that makes sense.
Yeah, it's important to have the tone of the writing of the book match the actual content.
Yeah, and like in the movie, they had like a lot of nostalgia like grabs of like images like the Iron Giant. They had like CGI Iron Giant, which like didn't exist in the book. I don't think so. I need to read it again. Maybe I'm talking out my ass, but it's like what I remember from it was more of like a timeless tale, which is cool.
I read this npm run build. It's taking a very long time. I don't know if I just get quit or no.
What's the problem?
It says done. It said done, but it didn't actually give me my command line back. I'm just gonna quit it. See what happens. Be fine. Oh, you know, I was also doing npm run dev to start it. That's probably not right, is it?
npm run. No, wait. To start, you don't need to do that because if you're running, or wait, how do I set production? Oh, this is something that's been controversial. This is yeah. I think what you're running into is like a controversial decision that I made. But let me verify. What am I looking at? What are you? Is this not my stack anymore? The fuck? I need to clean up the
Oh wait,
HTTP
wait.
handler
Oh,
so
I see.
bad.
Npm run build actually ran it.
Yeah, or
I didn't.
it's setting up the
I didn't.
hot reload.
I see. I didn't realize that.
Didn't you publish your repo?
Yeah, and you never even put a star on it, and
Really? Wait, I don't
yeah,
believe that.
it's been a point of contention that I've been holding on to till this very moment.
What is your name?
Oh, it gets worse.
What?
He doesn't even know my name.
No, what's your name?
You just call me a disciple.
What?
It's Normac with a zero and zero re.
With a zero and a what?
Yeah, N zero re mac.
Oh, N zero R E. One more time?
N zero
Yeah.
REMAC.
Oh, just I see. Okay. Ah, Cameron Smart. Very good. Um, you should pin cars as on your repo.
Yeah, it is. I think.
Is it? No, it's at the bottom. Why do you have it at the bottom? That's the coolest thing you're working on.
Huh. It's not. It's not. It was the pin once.
No, it's like bound down there.
Oh, okay.
Oh, dude, it's so clean. The README's so easy to understand, and it tells you everything you need to run. Like that's it.
Yeah, I wish it worked in production. No, it did. It did though. Except for the
You need to
because I
run
just saw.
npm run build.
Yeah, well, I'm running into another. Well, still ran into a problem. Let's see what it is.
How do you start this?
Yeah, I'm still getting cores.
Where's the code that you used to start the server? Oh, I see. It's in main. Okay. Is it? Wait, am I crazy? Oh, okay, there we go.
Um, let's see. Do I have to set an environment variable to tell it that it's in production?
Do you have to set an environment variable?
Like they get like
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to look at right now.
oh okay,
How is
like base URL or something.
well that should control. That's you definitely need to make that change. And I think that might just work. I'm trying to think of why I thought this would be a problem. No.
Sure.
Yeah, no, you're fine. Yeah.
Okay, I changed this. Is that right?
Hmm?
I think that's right. Does this need the port on it? It does, doesn't it?
Alright, I'm gonna play music again. I haven't been able to figure out the levels, so I might not be able to hear you. So heads up.
I'm the voice inside your head you refuse to hear. I'm the face that you have to face, mirror in your stare. I'm what's left, I'm what's right, I'm the enemy. I'm the hand that take you down, bring you to your knees. So who are you? Yeah, 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 who are you?
This is so beautiful. How does it sound when I talk? Okay, that's good. That's so cool. Wow. Can I like improve the quality? Oh, this is so cool. If I clipped like some clips from this, they would actually look really nice. Oh yeah, so if you can talk on Discord now, and then it will show up. I need to push this to production though. I'll do that later.
'cause everything that you thought I would be has fallen apart right in front of you. Just caught in the undertow. Every step that I take is another mistake to you. Caught in the undertow, just caught in the undertow. And every second I waste is more than I can take. I've become so numb, I can't feel you there. Become so tired, so much more aware. I'm becoming this. All I want to do is be more like me and be less like you. And I know I may end up failing too, but I know you were just like me, with someone disappointed in you. I've become so numb, I can't feel you there. Become so tired, so much more aware. I'm becoming this. All I want to do is be more like me and be less like you. I've become so numb, I can't feel you there. Tired of being what you want me to be. I've become so numb, I can't feel you there. Tired of being what you want me to be.
What to play next? Oh, such a good song.
You're so much better at everything. Nice and closer in my chair, there's no compare. I adore you. Ooh, I adore you. I came first, but you're ahead beyond your years. People try to find this thing you've always been. I adore you. Ooh, I adore you. When prayer answered, you walk through life just like a dancer. If I had my way, every day would be a parade. When prayer answered, you walk through life just like a dancer. If I had my way, every day would be a parade. Ooh, I adore you. Ooh, I adore you. And I pray you never lose your star. I'm so proud of all that you are. I adore you. Ooh, I adore you. I adore you. Ooh, I adore you. When prayer answered, you walk through life just like a dancer. If I had my way, every day would be a parade. When prayer answered, you walk through life just like a dancer. If I had my way, every day would be a parade. Ooh, I adore you. Ooh, I adore you. Ooh, I adore you. Ooh, I adore you. And I pray you never lose your star. I'm so proud of all that you are. Ooh, I adore you. Ooh, I adore you. I adore you.
It's okay to be confused. I need to get it going though. That'll make more sense. No, I don't want this.
And
I only see you and I in a crowded room. You're my decision. Oh, we've been blurring the lines in the crowded room. I guess I kissed him. Oh, now baby, hold on. Pushed you back for so long. Oh, and I'm all out of good excuses now, baby. Alright, I can't wait one more night. Oh, I give up, I give in, I can't take it. Won't you please pour your love in for me? Pour your love in for me, like a waterfall, baby. Won't you please pour your love in for me? Pour your love in for me. I need you to let your waterfall. Oh, baby, let me feel it all. This may be a mistake, but I want your tattoos on my shoulders. If you was bubbling in pain, I'd raise you to the sky and toast this hopeless. So now, baby, hold on. Pushed you back for so long. Oh, and I'm all out of good excuses now, baby. Alright, I can't wait one more night. Oh, I give up, I give in, I can't take it. Won't you please pour your love in for me? Pour your love in for me, like a waterfall, baby. Won't you please pour your love in for me? Pour your love in for me. I need you to let your waterfall. Oh, baby, let me feel it all. Give me something to live for. Give me something to love. Give me something to hold on to. Nothing above. Give me something to live for. Give me something to feel. Give me something to hold on to. lost in a world away from me. I always thought that we were meant to be, but now you only lie in my memories. Stay with me, oh, set me free. Floating around in gravity. Your love is all I'll ever need. It's burning here inside of me. Stay with me. I see you in everything, everywhere I go. If I could ask for anything, I'd ask that you don't go. When I wake up, I know it's you that I want. Show me more, show me more, show me more. If I'm all yours. When I wake up, I know it's you that I want. Show me more, show me more, show me more. If I'm all yours. Will you run away with me? Let's get away from reality.
Explain. I don't gotta explain shit.
From the lights and towards the sea.
Explain yourself.
Trouble, but I'm on my knees. Stay with me, oh, set me free. Floating around in gravity. This is the place where I wanna be. I see you in everything, everywhere I go. I see you in everything, everywhere I go. Nowhere won't hold. And I fear that we won't get to begin again. Those nights were long and I thought I had lost my friend. Can we begin again? Can we begin again? I see you in everything, everywhere I go. If I could ask for anything, I'd ask that you don't go. When I wake up, I know it's you that I want. Show me more, show me more, show me more. If I'm all yours. When I wake up, I know it's you that I want.
All right.
Show me more, show me more, show me
So
more. If I'm all yours. I thought that you'd always be here forever.
all right. So I'm actually gonna take a look at this because I think this is really cool. All right. Can we actually see the screen? Oops. Anyways. All right. All right, we're going to make this nice and big so we have a good explanation here. So, in my opinion, I got to open this back up. Okay. Where is it? Where you go? Explore documentation. Okay. Anthropic. What is Anthropic? Why do you care about them? So Anthropic is like ChatGPT, but not ChatGPT because it's not ChatGPT. It is Claude AI. So what are the differences between these two? Why would you use one over the other? That's the question. So in my opinion, I still think that ChatGPT does better for tasks that are like creative writing. So oftentimes if I want a blog post, I'll be like, you are an editor for the New York Times, write me a blog post about potatoes. So if we were to take the same prompt, and this is usually what I do for comparing how things work, is I have these prompts in my mind and then I ask them. So this is like my litmus test. I do this, and then I also do one related to coding, because coding is like a different way of thinking. And so we can take a look at the difference between these. And it's not stark, but if you read enough of it, then it starts to kind of, you might see my point. So the Mighty Spud, unearthing. All right, let's read Claude's first, actually. Here's the draft blog post. A Humble My Potato by Claude, editor at the New York Times. That's pretty good. There may be no more versatile and beloved vegetable than the humble potato. This unassuming tuber has been a staple food for cultures around the world for centuries, transcending class geography. From the simplest baked potato to the most exquisite French fry, the potato has an unmatched ability to satisfy and delight. Its origins can be traced back to the Andes Mountains of South America, where potato plant remains have been discovered that are estimated over 8,000. Okay, great. Historical type thing. In the realm of culinary delights, few staples are as ubiquitous and as versatile as the humble potato. Originating in South America Andes, the tuber has traversed continents. So that one's kind of similar. I think maybe I see it if I add like more nuance. Like, you're an editor for the New York Times. Write me a blog post. I don't know. Anyways, it's almost indistinguishable from this at this point. But the thing that doesn't matter anywhere, or the thing that matters more than anything between these two models. So I just gave it a simple prompt. If I were to ask it to reason about things or expand on some ideas, the results may not be good. It may not be complete. So having like a simple prompt like this is not necessarily what you want. And if you spend time prompting, like this is something that you might experience, like of, you're sending in something, it's not really giving you what you want. There are techniques for improving it, and Anthropic has a guide on that, which is pretty cool to see. This is like one of the first guides that I've seen on how to build prompts effectively, and it's really important to be able to do this. If you can't prompt, like you aren't using ChatGPT to its max potential, and it takes like some patience and understanding to know what's going to give you good results. So this is the best resource that I've ever seen explaining that. And what's even more interesting is intro to prompting. Yes, in this section, there is a thing that links to a helper meta prompt. And this helper meta prompt is a program that will take your prompt, like, and you just give it whatever, and then it will improve on it. So this is like what the base prompt looks like. It's this like massive thing that talks about like how tasks are related to like their output. So you would define it like, if we take a look at it here, it's like, today you'll be writing instructions. And remember, this prompt is for taking something that you just type in. It's like, oh, I kind of need ChatGPT to do this. And what do you do? So today you'll be writing instructions to an eager, helpful, but inexperienced and unworldly AI assistant. So people that are being paid a fuck ton of money are coming up with these things. Like, this is incredible. Like, look at the words that are used to relate to each other. Right? It's not talking to it like a computer. It's almost more human. Like, and that's what they have found to be the most successful at getting like what they want. So eager, helpful, and inexperienced, unworldly AI assistant who needs careful instruction and examples to understand how best to behave. I will explain a task for you. You will write instructions that will direct the assistant on how best to accomplish this task consistently, accurately, and correctly. Here are some examples of tasks and instructions. So task example, and this is like in like a markup. So presumably this markup being there means that the model was fine-tuned on this type of task input, and you have this hierarchy of output that can be defined. So it's like, it's kind of guaranteeing that these things will come. So act as a polite customer success agent for Acme Dynamics. Use FAQ to answer questions. So this is our inputs. It has like an FAQ and question format. So FAQ, yeah, use FAQ to answer questions. You'll be acting as an AI customer success agent for a company called Acme Dynamics. When I write begin dialogue, you will enter in this role, and further input from the instructor will be from a user seeking a sales or customer support question. Here are some important rules for the interaction. So this is not related at all to like what we wanted it to do. And oftentimes, like as we're writing and prompting, it's, I don't want to type all that much. Like I don't want to type all of this, but this is how you make like high quality reasoning is what this is. And the results are just going to be like more helpful generally because it's thinking through the whole thought process. It's going through all of these things, and they've included like examples. So it really like gets whatever LLM you're using in the mindset of like, this is how I'm going to approach this problem. And if you have that ability, like your prompts are just going to be better. So let's take a look. So we got to start by installing. It's made by Zach at anthropic.com. Should we email Zach? I'll shoot him an email. I'll tell him like, hey Zach, how's it going? I'll tell him what a great thing what a great collab thing he built. And I'll send him this video. Howdy, Zach. Nope, not Zach. Not our buddy Zach. I need the damn API key. Do it off screen so we don't leak the key. I'm going to delete the other ones that I might have leaked. Delete. No access for you. Oh man, I should do an episode on API keys and how to do them like properly. Anthropic's API does pretty well. Oh, but now I need to still put it on the screen. All right, well there you go. That's annoying. Really, you want to be able to configure that as like a secret that you don't have to see on here. Okay. So we saw the meta prompt. It's just a bunch of things like demonstrating what the intended use of it are. Oh, did I still show that anyway? God damn it. Whatever. All right, draft an email. What task do we want? Okay, so I want you, and this is all like, let's say maybe it's like, I am writing an essay for school. Help me out. So maybe this is like the entry point. I think it will come up with a good one here. So we're running it. It's being formatted. This is just a little bit of code. And then we got a problem. Why do we have a problem? The heck? Meta prompt is not defined. What? Import Anthropic. Oh, I didn't run that. Okay, now you're good. Boop. All right, that's fine. Boop. All right, now this is going to go off to the API and breaking down what it's doing. All right, so it's replacing all mentions of task with inputs assistant partial, adding if variable string. Where does variable string come from? Oh, it's from this. Okay, yes, we do some parsing here. So we have variables defined as array, so it doesn't really apply to us. But if we had those variables defined, we would have variable.upper, adding a new line in between some brackets. We don't see any. Okay, so we have some variables. System partial. Oh, I see. I didn't even use this. Okay. So this is helpful for extracting all of that out. So if you wanted to make your own like extractor of information to like have it formatted. That's cool. I see. I haven't used it. I've actually just been running it. So okay. So we think we ran that. Now we need to run this. See, we don't have any variables, so it's not going to necessarily apply. Oh. Pretty print is not defined. What didn't we run? Pretty print. There we go. Boat, boat, boat. All right, so now this is what it looked like. You'll be helping a student write an essay for school. This will be done in several stages. First, I will provide the essay topic. Your task will be to help to brainstorm ideas and create an outline for the essay. Then I will provide you with the outline. You will write a first draft of the essay. Based on that outline, finally, I will give you the final draft. See, I'm not writing this every time I'm opening up ChatGPT, so it makes sense why people aren't using this. But what I can do is I can take this prompt now that I have it, put it on a website, and I can let you, like, one click ask this question. And, like, that would be pretty helpful if you, like, input, like, your stuff. And we can see it just keeps going. Wow. So let's test its performance, shall we? We will ask it to write about Harry Potter. So first we got to input it, so it's loading it into like the context of ChatGPT, and we will be like, write me an essay about Harry Potter. And now we're going to go over to Claude, and we'll do the same thing. So we're like now in the memory of the LLM, it's like, okay, I got this piece of text in here. This is telling me what I am now, because I'm apparently someone else. And Claude says, sounds good. We'll start an essay writing process. Let's ask the same question. Okay. Let's check out ChatGPT. To create a well-structured essay on Harry Potter, we first need to decide on the specific angle. Character analysis, theme explanation, cultural impact. Okay. Talk about Harry and Hermione's relationship. I think I messed up the spelling on that, but let's see, it's close enough. Brief introduction to Harry Potter. Thesis statement. Harry and Hermione's relationship, characterized by deep friendship, mutual respect, and unwavering support, serves as a consideration of the series, highlighting the themes of friendship, loyalty, and personal growth. Yes. Please write this for me. Pivotal moment in the Sorcerer's Stone is the incident with the troll in the girls' bathroom when Hermione lies to protect Harry and Ron, solidifying their friendship. This event marks the beginning of their deep bond, setting the foundation for loyalty and trust. That's pretty funny. Write me an essay about Harry and Hermione. All right, Claude, let's see what you got here, buddy. Here's some potential ideas and angles I could take for an essay about Harry and Hermione's relationship, analyzing their close friendship and how they complemented each other's strengths and weaknesses. Hermione's brilliance. Okay. Oh, first draft. All right. Brightest witch of her age and chosen one. See, what's interesting is because this walkthrough came from Anthropic, they probably have their model more fine-tuned to this, right? Because these two companies are trained on completely different data, like OpenAI's ChatGPT and Anthropic's Claude. So behind the scenes, they're just fine-tuned differently. So like maybe in Claude, like you have it so that you have those tags that have been in the training data, meaning that this thought process might be more impactful on Claude. So we can take a look. This is such a hard test. It's really hard to test LLMs, like to truly understand like what they're capable of, because you need someone like looking at it. Among the unmistakable heart and soul of the beloved Harry Potter series is the central friendship between radiant Hermione Granger and the legendary boy who lived himself, Harry Potter. Oh God, does that sound Is this, are we like elementary school intelligence? From the earliest chapters, Hermione displayed an eminent intelligence and encyclopedic knowledge. See, the thing is, I wouldn't use ChatGPT to write like the whole thing. Oh, so there's this UX thing that I really want to have that I have on ChatGPT, but not here. I want to just to be able to straight up edit this. There's no reason that I have to go down here and try this again. It actually really cripples my workflow. Like if I can't just like go to the prompt and be like, no, I want to do this one better. Like having to copy it, like, ew, that's annoying. Oh, how do I stop it? That's another thing. Oh, you can't stop it? Ooh. I need to be able to stop it because it's just like, it takes so long. Oh, wait. Oh, okay, click. Hello, Claude. This is, oh man, that needs to get better. All right, so I have this prompt. Cool. I don't know. I didn't have to tell Anthropic to say, yes, please write this for me. It just kind of did it. It is hard. That is a full-time job to test LLMs. And you got to be creative too. It's very impressive. All right. Well, I'm done with that. But yeah, the meta prompt thing, definitely check it out. That is really sick. I don't even know. Where did my... I don't know where the chat went. Oh, did we crash? Oh no, we just minimized it. Oh, hello. Oh, I was missing. Oh, I can see the chat. Oh, sorry. Oh. I'm so hacked. Which AI is smuttier? You can't ask that. It just gets mad at you. You can try to jailbreak it, but it's just not worth it. Like trying to bypass it, like it's like more like fraud than it is like a... Actually, I don't know. I mean, honestly, I think that needs to be a part of a bug bounty program, is like people that can bypass like the model's protections. And you need to make sure that those people are like registered with you, because you don't want just randos sending stuff, but you also want to know when people can bypass it. That's actually an interesting problem. Security of the models in bypassing. Just interesting. All right. I think it's time. It's time to go. I wish everyone a good night. I hope that you live your life and you're happy. So, yes. See y'all.